Hi, this is Christina, and I would love to share today how to work with cleaning your home using essential oils. And in these unprecedented times, so many people are at home, it is an absolute great time to be working with essences to clean your home for many reasons. All of the essences are antibacterial, many of them are antiviral, but even more important than that, and what I love about the essences is they're so uplifting. So if any time it would be great to bring uplifting energy into all of our homes around the world, it's now. And not only are they uplifting, they actually shift the vibration in your home when you use high quality essential oils, pure essential oils like the ones I love from Wisdom of the Earth. Our materials, we have about 2 cups of warm water. We have distilled white vinegar, super cheap and very well known for a great cleaner. Probably only about 1/4 cup is all you would need for about 2 cups of water. A little bit in. If you have Dr. Bronner soap or an all natural dish soap works fine. For this little amount of water, literally 1 or 2 drops is great. That is super concentrated. And each of our essences, Mexican lime, is so uplifting. You want to use about maybe 5-ish drops. You don't have to count or be precise, but lime smells so refreshing and yummy. You have lavender. Lavender is an amazing antiviral, antibacterial. It's amazing. It's been used for the ages for cleaning. Lave, the French word for wash. Fir balsam happens to be one of my favorites, so I always use fir balsam, one of the less expensive firs, and all of the firs just smell super grounding and also refreshing and uplifting. And last, for this particular batch, lemon. Lemon is amazing for degreasing and or getting up any gunk stuff. Lemon's just amazing cleaner also. So those happen to be my favorites. I love peppermint too. I love tea tree, eucalyptus. They're all good. So choose what happens to be handy. So we're gonna get our cleaning materials here, our rags and our bucket, coming over to an area in my cute little home in Boulder, an area where we have a few different surfaces. So hardwood, the solution is completely fine. It's mostly water, so if you can put water in your hardwood floor, it's okay. You just really want to wring out the rag really well so it's barely damp. We have furniture. This is coated in polyurethane, also completely fine. You want to know what coating the surfaces that you're working with is and make sure that the water is fine. Tile, this is my entryway and kitchen, goes into the kitchen. Of course, it's great for tile. You can use a solution in bathrooms. 1 rag, wipe a dirty toilet seat, rinse it out, put it in the wash. So easy. Light switches, doorknobs, and baseboards. So if I had toddlers, moms out there, highly suggest if you have toddlers, I think this would be so fun for them. It smells so good. Take your rag and let's do 1 little section of baseboard. Here you go. Rinse it out really well. Your rag, wipe along heaters, come along the baseboard. Easy, you're done. Get the doorknobs, get the light switches while you're there. And the next thing, I have a hand towel for our floors, and this is lazy. This is lazy, but this is how Christina does it in her busy home with 3 kids. Because it means I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna wring it out really well, a hand towel, really well. And I spread it out. Here you go. I go through, and this might seem ridiculous, but I will do it, and it's so easy. I can do a room in 5 minutes or less. And I'm gonna give you a cheater's trick. Sometimes there's crumbs on the kitchen floor. I just want that cleaned up. The easiest thing, take a washcloth or a towel, put it under the running water, warm water, squeeze it out really well, and have your essences. Sometimes I just use water and pour a couple drops of essences and then wipe up the floor, and it gets it so much cleaner and smells good and definitely makes me want to do it again. So that's how you can clean almost all the surfaces in your home. And in these times, I wish everyone in their homes a sense of peace and harmony, and an invitation to clean, deeply clean, on the outside as well as inside. And I wish everyone health and happiness, and lots of love to you all. Call me with any questions if you'd like to order essences. My website, handsoftheheart.org. Thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.